Back with the regular cab here again. Just wanted to show these inside the fender wells here, the rubber splash guards that I made. I don't know how good you could see it, but it was from Tacoma World. You could find it. Here's the template. There's a file you could download, and I had the guy at work laser it out. And I had to adjust it a little because it's got a 1-inch body lift, so I just moved it up and made it wider. And then the holes, I didn't want to trust them holes, so I just did them as I was mounted in here. I did this last year before I put it away for the winter. I didn't get to make a video, but it's pretty good. It's 16th rubber, I believe. You get that from the Master Car. I think it was like $50. Not as cheap as it used to be. It's a lot of protection. Alright. That's it for this video, I guess. Make it a short one.